Hi dear students, welcome to my class. This is for 9th students and the chapter is atoms and molecules. In the last class, we were discussed about problems on moles. So in that, we have to find out the moles from the mass and moles from the number of atoms. So in this class, I am going to solve one more problem, that is calculate the mass of the following. So calculate the mass of the following. So in that we have four sub questions. In that we have four sub questions. First one is 0.5 moles of N2 gas. So please remember and observe. So 0.5 moles, here moles is given. So in the last problem we have to find out find the moles, but in this problem I am going to find the number of mass. Here moles is given. So 0 point moles is there of N2 gas. So N2, here N2 represents it is a molecule. So in bracket find out the mass from mole of molecule. This is a moles, 0.5 moles. So from these moles of molecules we have to find the mass. So let us solve the first A. Okay, so given data is there, 0.5 moles of nitrogen gas is there. So now we have to find out the mass. Okay, so mass. So mass is equal to, so for mass we have a formula. For this molar mass is equal to molar mass into number of moles. Molar mass into number of moles. Or given number of moles. Given number of moles also you can take, or number of moles you can take. So for this small m, mass small m. For this molar mass I am taking a capital M and into number of moles. So how can you take number of moles? That is small n. Okay, small n. And substitute the values. So molar mass of this molecule, N2 molecule. For single n, so nitrogen atomic number is 7 and atomic mass is, so this is atomic number and nitrogen atomic mass is 14 atomic mass for single n. So here N2 is there, here we have a molecule. For this 14 plus 14, so how much more? 28. So 28 into how much more? 0.5. How much? What is the answer? Just calculate. How much? So 25 half. 0.5 means half. How much answer? 14 grams. So you should mention the units also. So this units carries 1 mark. Without mentioning unit, so we have to cut the 1 mark. So in problems we have to mention the units for the answers. Okay, this is the formula. For first 0.5 moles of N2 gas is there. From this 0.5 moles of N2 gas we have to find the mass. Okay, so I am find out the mass. So for 14 grams of 14 grams is the mass of this N2 gas. Okay, second one B. So 0.5 moles of N atoms. So here mention N2 gas, that means N2 is represented means molecules. Here single N means atoms. In this for second 0.5 moles of N atoms, from this data we have to find the mass. So here mass. So B. Can you tell the formula for this? So same formula. So what is the formula? Mass. So mass is equal to molar mass into number of moles. So molar mass. So for single n, how much more for single n? 14 for single 14 into number of moles how much ma? 0.5. 0.51. So answer of 7 grams. 7 grams is the answer. Okay. Next C. So 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 number of here NO, two lines represents number. Okay. So 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 number of nitrogen atoms, N atoms, nitrogen atoms. So for this is the data or this is the question. So here number of atoms are given. Number of atoms are given. From the by using this number of atoms, we have to find the mass. So mass from number of atoms. Okay. So for third answer is like this. So the number of atoms. The number of atoms. What is the symbol ma? So the number of atoms. So that is capital N. Okay, the number of atoms, this is the value. And what is we have to find out ma? So we have to find out the what is ma? Mass from the, so what is that mass from the number? We have to find out the mass. For that mass, so first you should mass, before going to that mass we have to find out the what moles, how many moles. From this number of atoms we have to find out the moles first. Okay, first I am going to find out the number of moles. So number of moles. So number of moles is represented with N. Okay na? N. So small n. So this is also having one special formula. So that formula is given number of particles. Given number of particles. Given number of particles by Avogadro number. So given number of particles represented by N. Already I told this. The number of particles or given number of particles are represented by N and Avogadro's number. So this is the given number and this is the Avogadro's number. And Avogadro's number symbol is N naught. Okay, just you have to match this. Okay. Just add the values. 3 point given in 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23. So this is the given number of particles. So Avogadro constant is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. So you have to, the answer you have to calculate this. So you have to calculate this ma. So how much you obtain ma? Okay. So you get the answer what you have to calculate this. Okay, this is 10 to the power of 23, 10 to the power of 23 cancel. So this 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Okay, 1 by 2 is obtained. Okay, so for this, after getting this, you have to apply the once again formula, that is small m, mass. So mass is equal to m into n. That means molar mass into number of small n means number of moles. Okay, number of moles. So that is first you have to molar mass, calculate the molar mass of N. So molar mass of NaCl is how much ma? So capital N means capital M means molar mass, that is 14. So that is 14. And N number of moles. What how much ma? So 6 point or you have to same write it as a same 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. So what is the answer ma? What is the answer? Calculate. So that means already I told that half means 0.5 moles. 0.5 moles. So simply I write this. Okay. So what is here? I just written in this. So for the simplification I am going this 14 into 0.5. Right now. This is right now. Okay. So the answer is 7 grams. 7 grams is the answer for the third option. So this is the simple way. So first they given the number of particles, the number of atoms. In that numbers we have to find out the first moles. So for the moles you have a formula, given number of particles by Avogadro's number. So given number of particles 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23. I am taking 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 by Avogadro constant, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. So after cancel or simplify, you get the 0.5 moles. So this is the moles or number of moles. So for this number of moles, then you have to find the mass. So mass means small m, that is equal to capital M into n, small n. So here capital M indicates molar mass and small n indicates number of moles. Okay. So you have to substitute the values. So for molar mass of nitrogen, molar mass of n, only single n is there. That's why I am taking 14 into the value 0.5 value. So you get the answer 7 grams. Okay. So this is what third. For next D. For D. So here also the number of number of molecules or number of particles are given. So n means number of particles. Sorry, n means number of moles. From this you have to find out the number of moles. So number n into n naught. So n means what is my n? Given number of particles. How much the given particles? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. By n naught means Avogadro's value. See Avogadro's number. So how much? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23. So answer, that is 1. Answer is 1. Okay. So you get the answer 1. So 1 moles. 1 moles. So this is small n. So next formula, which is this formula. See small m is equal to capital M into n, capital M. So N2 is there. In D, N2 is there. This is for D. Okay, N2. For single nitrogen, I am taking 14. Here N2 is molecule is there. For N2 molar mass is 28 into 1. So answer is 28 grams. 28 grams is the mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 number of N2 molecules. This is what today's class. Okay. So these problems are if you understand, this will easily and this will easy. Otherwise, step by step you have to understand. Nothing is there. Just write down the formulas and apply the substitute the values and you get the simply answer. Okay. In the next class, I will discuss one more problem and remaining exercise questions. Okay. Thank you.